There's the new and improved final campfire. Sun just dropped below, so we're about to light it pretty soon. But the sun's it's getting a little nippy, but it's not absolutely frigid at the moment. What's really interesting is when you come out here, nothing matters. I mean, I got a tent, a bear bag, a campfire, and that's it. And then, I got water around me, I got birds chirping, I got squirrels going all over, just doing their thing. And then once you go back into the real world, it's a whole new level. I mean, the way that people communicate now, the way things are changing, I mean, it's totally new, inspirational. And what is it going to become? What are we going to become as humans? What are we going to become?